In other news, waves are pounding our coast. This new video shows the surf barreling over the seawall and towards homes in Long Beach. Take a look. And it's not just here. The impact is being felt at beaches across Southern California. NBC4's Brittany Hope is live on the peninsula getting a first-hand look at those waves. And Brittany, I'm also getting a look at that cleanup that has to be done.
There's a lot of cleanup, a lot of wind, a lot of mess. Let's get into it. So first, because the sun is up, I can show you that the tides have finally gone down. But what that has revealed, what it's left behind, yes, is all of this mess. So I'm standing right now on the boardwalk. There is inches of sand here that piled on, and it goes all the way into the neighborhood, too, all the way down all of these streets toward Ocean Boulevard. There's debris, there's sand. It's a mess. Now, the good news, though, is that now we have some city crews out here. They've completely rebuilt this berm that was washed away overnight.
Last night I just kept seeing all these heavy, sand movers going back and forth out the window. I'm like, what the heck is going on? And then next thing you know, there's more people gathering. You hear the waves crashing, and you just next thing you see is just water coming over the side here. All the really tall sort of berms are just gone.
I moved here in 2016.
The whole decade you've lived here, you've dealt with this, but
Yeah, we've dealt with it.
Not
Not this bad. No, definitely not this bad. This was, you could see the water literally lapping right up here. It just started and it's been going on almost 3 to 4 days now. So basically water comes in from here. You see this underbelly over here that's open? Goes all the way to the back. And anything that you see on the back side washes off onto Ocean Boulevard. And if you walk this way, see all my plants have been destroyed, everything is gone. So I have to repot, replant, do everything, all of these. So we just hope that nothing big comes and hits the glass, And all of this debris that you see over here, everything washed in from the ocean.
What's your plan for the day now that you see
Absolutely, sandbagging. We have already called the city, so they're going to drop off some sandbags for us.
I guess Mother Nature is truly powerful.
And check it out. You can see that cleanup happening now. That guy with a snow shovel, it looks like, taking all of that sand out from outside of his house and just throwing it over. So that's what we're dealing with here right now. What we do want to remind you is it's a beautiful day outside to go to the beach, but it's just not safe. So you need to stay off rocks and jetties because the waves are still going to be powerful. There's those high tides. They can take you off those rocks onto the jetties, and then the rip current could bring you to the ocean. So the #1 piece of advice today is just be really safe out there. We're reporting in Long Beach, Brittany Hope, NBC4 News.